Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. I'm Zara.
And I'm Liam. Hey everyone, so great to be back with you today.
We are so happy you are here with us. Quick question. Did you practice starting a conversation from last episode? Did you try the comment plus question formula in real life?
We really hope you did, because practice is everything. You cannot learn conversation by just listening. You have to speak. You have to try, even if you make mistakes.
Especially if you make mistakes. Mistakes mean you are trying, and trying means you are improving. So keep going. We are proud of every single one of you.
Before today's lesson, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Share it with one friend who's learning English. It really helps us reach more learners around the world.
Thank you so much. Okay, Liam, today's topic. Tell everyone.
Today, we are talking about small talk.
Small talk, one of the most important and most misunderstood parts of English conversation.
So many learners say, I can have a big conversation in English, but small talk is so hard. I never know what to say.
And I completely understand that feeling. Small talk feels tricky because it is not about big, important topics. It is about little, everyday things. The weather, the weekend, a cup of coffee, simple things.
But small talk is actually the foundation of every relationship, every friendship, every professional connection. It starts with small talk.
So today, we are going to master it together. Let's go.
So first, what exactly is small talk? Small talk is light, casual conversation. It is not deep, it is not serious, it is friendly and easy and comfortable.
Think about it. You walk into the office in the morning, your colleague says, "Morning, cold outside today, isn't it?" You say, "Oh, I know. I need about 3 more coffees to warm up." You both laugh. That is small talk.
Or you're standing in a queue at the supermarket. The person in front of you says, "This queue is so long today." You say, "I know. I only came in for 2 things and now I've been here 15 minutes." That is small talk.
Small talk is everywhere. At work, in lifts, at parties, at the gym, in waiting rooms. Anywhere 2 people are together for a short time.
And the beautiful thing about small talk, it has nothing to do with your English level. It's about being warm, being friendly, being present.
Exactly. You do not need perfect grammar for small talk. You need confidence and a smile. That's all.
Today, we are going to cover the 5 most common small talk topics and give you lots of phrases for each one. Ready?
Let's go.
Topic 1. The weather. Now I know what you are thinking. The weather? Really? Is that not boring?
I know it sounds boring, but weather is actually the most universal small talk topic in the world. Everyone experiences it, everyone has an opinion about it, and it is always happening right now.
Exactly. So here are some natural weather small talk phrases. Cold today, isn't it? Or, can you believe this heat? Or, what a beautiful day. Or, I cannot believe how much it rained last night.
And the other person responds. Then you can add more. For example,
Cold today, isn't it? I was not expecting it to be this cold.
"I know, I completely forgot my jacket this morning. I was freezing on the bus."
Oh no! I always check the weather app before I leave. It saved me today. I wore 3 layers.
3 layers. Smart. I need to start doing that. See? From one comment about the cold, we talked about the bus, the weather app, getting dressed. So natural.
Other weather phrases. Typical Monday weather, right? It is always gray on Mondays. Or, I heard it is going to be sunny this weekend. I cannot wait. Or, this rain just does not stop, does it?
All of these invite a response. All of them are easy. All of them are natural. Weather small talk, sorted.
Topic 2. The weekend. This is probably the most common small talk topic in offices and schools all over the world.
On Friday, people talk about weekend plans. On Monday, people talk about what they did. It's a perfect cycle of small talk.
Friday phrases: any exciting plans for the weekend? Or are you doing anything fun this weekend? Or looking forward to the weekend? Or got anything nice planned?
And Monday phrases, how was your weekend? Or did you do anything nice? Or good weekend? Or hope you had a good one.
Let's practice. It's Monday morning. Zara, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was really lovely actually. I went to a new restaurant on Saturday. Have you ever tried Thai food?
I love Thai food. Which restaurant was it?
It's a small place in the city center, very cozy. The food was incredible. You should definitely try it sometime. How about your weekend?
Pretty relaxed. I went for a long walk on Sunday. The weather was actually really nice. And I watched a great film in the evening. Very chilled weekend.
Oh, nice. What film did you watch? And just like that, from How was your weekend, we are now talking about restaurants, food, walking, and films. Small talk opens big conversations.
Always. The weekend topic is so reliable. Use it every Monday morning. Use it every Friday afternoon. You will never run out of things to say.
Topic 3. Food and coffee. This is my personal favorite small talk topic.
Mine too, honestly. Because everyone eats, everyone drinks something, and everyone has an opinion about food.
Some natural food and coffee small talk phrases. Oh, that smells amazing. What are you eating? Or, have you tried the new cafe around the corner? Or, I am so hungry today. I forgot to have breakfast. Or, that coffee looks good. Where did you get it?
These are so easy to use in an office, in a kitchen, in a cafe, anywhere.
Let's show a quick example. Liam, you walk into the office kitchen. I am making coffee. Start some small talk.
Oh, that coffee smells incredible. Is that a new brand?
Yes, I found it at the market on Saturday. It is from Colombia, apparently. Do you want to try some?
Oh, yes, please. I have been drinking the same coffee for years. Maybe it's time for a change.
Definitely time for a change. Here you go. Tell me what you think.
Oh, wow, that is really good. Much smoother than mine. Where exactly did you get it?
From a simple comment about coffee smell, we talked about the market, Colombia, trying new things. Amazing.
Food and coffee small talk is so warm and friendly. It makes people feel comfortable immediately, because food is something everyone loves talking about.
Some more phrases. I'm obsessed with this new restaurant I tried last week. Or, have you eaten lunch yet? Or, I cannot stop thinking about the cake I had yesterday. Or, do you know any good places to eat near here?
All of these are perfect small talk starters. Easy, warm, natural.
Topic 4. Work and studies. Now, this one needs to be handled carefully because work talk can become serious very quickly. The key is to keep it light.
Exactly. Small talk about work is not about big projects or problems. It's about light observations, the kind of things you say in passing.
For example, busy day today, isn't it? Or, is it Friday yet? I need the weekend. Or, can you believe how fast this week went? Or, I cannot believe it's already Wednesday.
These are not deep. They're just light, friendly observations that everyone at work relates to.
For students, how did your exam go? Or, are you ready for the presentation? Or, did you understand what the teacher explained today? Or, I cannot believe how much homework we have this week. Let's practice. Liam, it's Wednesday afternoon. We work together. Start some small talk.
Is it just me, or is this week going really slowly?
Oh, I know. Monday felt like 3 days ago, but also like yesterday at the same time.
Exactly. I've had so many meetings today. My brain is completely full.
Tell me about it. I've been staring at my screen since 8 this morning. I need a proper break.
Same. I'm counting down to Friday already. Do you have anything nice planned for the weekend? And there it is. Work small talk flows naturally into weekend plans. It always connects.
That's the beauty of small talk. Every topic connects to another topic, like stepping stones. One leads to the next. Topic 5. Compliments. This is one of the most powerful and underused small talk tools.
A genuine compliment can start the warmest conversations, and it immediately makes the other person feel good about you.
Some natural compliment small talk phrases. Oh, I love your bag. Where did you get it? Or, that is such a nice color on you. Or, your English is really improving. Have you been practicing a lot? Or, that presentation was really good. You did a great job.
And the key with compliments, always add a question after. The compliment opens the door, the question invites them in. For example,
Hey, I love your jacket, by the way. Is it new?
"Oh, thank you so much. Yes, I just got it last week, actually. I found it in a little shop in town."
Oh, really? I have been looking for a good jacket for ages. Was it expensive?
Not at all. It was actually in the sale. I can send you the name of the shop if you like.
Oh, that would be amazing, thank you. A compliment about a jacket turned into sharing shop recommendations. That is small talk magic.
Compliments are so powerful. They cost nothing, they take 2 seconds, and they start the warmest conversations.
Some more compliment starters. I heard you got promoted. Congratulations. That is so well deserved. Or, I saw your photos from your holiday. They looked incredible. Where did you go? Or, you always make the best coffee. What is your secret?
Genuine, warm, followed by a question, that is the compliment formula. Use it and watch how people light up.
Okay.
Okay, so now you know how to start small talk, but what about responding? What if someone starts small talk with you and you're not sure what to say back?
Great point, because small talk is a two-way street, and responding well is just as important as starting well.
The golden rule, never give a one-word answer. If someone says, "Good weekend?" do not just say, "Yes." Say, "Yes, really lovely actually. I went to a new restaurant. How about yours?"
Always add something. Always throw it back with a question. Remember the tennis analogy from last episode. Hit the ball back. Some good response phrases. Oh, I know what you mean. I felt the same way. Or, really, that's interesting. Tell me more. Or, oh, funny you say that. I was just thinking about that too. Or, that sounds amazing. I've always wanted to try that.
These responses show you're listening, they show you're interested, and they keep the conversation moving forward. And sometimes you genuinely do not have much to say about a topic. That's okay too. You can say, "Oh, I don't know much about that actually, but it sounds interesting. What do you think about it?"
You turned your lack of knowledge into a question. The other person gets to share more. Everyone is happy.
That's such a clever move. When in doubt, ask a question. Always.
Okay, let's put everything together. Liam and I are going to have a complete small talk conversation using all 5 topics. Watch how naturally it flows.
Morning, Zara. Cold out there today, isn't it?
Oh, I know. I actually wore 2 scarves today. I looked ridiculous, but I was warm.
Worth it. Hey, good weekend, by the way. You seemed like you had plans.
Yes, amazing. I tried that new Thai restaurant I was telling you about. Have you ever had Thai food?
I love Thai food. Oh, I am so jealous. Was it good?
Incredible. I am already planning to go back next weekend. Oh, by the way, I love that shirt. Is it new?
Oh, thank you. Yes, actually. I found it in the sale. I cannot believe how cheap it was.
It really suits you. Okay, I am going to make coffee. Do you want some? I have that Colombian one I was telling you about.
Oh, yes, please. I have been thinking about that coffee since you mentioned it. Did you see that? Weather, weekend, food, compliment, coffee. 5 topics. All connected, all natural, all warm.
That is small talk. It is not one big topic. It's lots of little topics all linked together, like a necklace of conversation.
I love that. A necklace of conversation. Beautiful.
Practice time. 3 quick exercises. Pause after each one. Speak out loud. Ready?
Exercise 1. It is Monday morning. Your colleague asks, "How was your weekend?" Give a full, natural answer. Add details. Throw it back with a question. Pause and answer now.
Great. Exercise 2. You notice your friend has a new bag. Give them a compliment and ask a follow-up question. Pause and try.
Wonderful. Exercise 3. Someone says to you, "Can you believe this weather today?" Respond naturally. Add something. Keep it going. Pause now.
Amazing work. You are becoming a small talk expert. Seriously, be proud of yourself.
Final review. 5 small talk topics. The weather, the weekend, food and coffee, work and studies, compliments.
Key rules. Always add something to your answer. Always throw it back with a question. Never give one-word answers.
Use rescue phrases. "Oh, I know what you mean." "Really? Tell me more." "That sounds amazing."
And remember, small talk is not about being perfect. It's about being warm, being curious, being present. That's all.
Our question for you today is, what is your favorite small talk topic? The weather? Food? The weekend? Tell us in the comments. We want to know.
We read every single comment. You inspire us every day.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with one friend learning English.
Thank you so much for being here today. See you in episode 8.
Keep practicing, keep growing, and keep sparking.
Bye, everyone.